Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and I thought today we would do a little bit, something different, okay? We have a couple jobs that we need to get done, but it's outside. And this morning it's 5 below 0, so there's no sense. Colin and I have been sick anyway, so there's no sense in us getting out there. So I told him, I said, this would be a good day to do a video and also organize the disorganized chaos that I have with my toolbox, right? So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. And I'm going to fast forward as far as the speed of it so that, you're talking a day. And we'll finish up with what I got accomplished. All right, so stay tuned. welcome back. My name is Eric. So today is day one of the challenge, and the challenge is to take organized chaos of my tools to something more manageable, about, you know, having some kind of a thought process instead of just throwing everything into the toolbox, right? So I got with Claude this morning. It was negative temperatures outside, so we couldn't go work on the mini excavator. So I said, let's see if we can't make it better for me out here so I can do repairs and instead of digging for stuff all the time. So I kind of fast forwarded through a lot of it, we cut this section out so that this toolbox would fit right in there perfectly. And what I've done is I've taken, you know, my bigger box end wrenches. Turn it just a little. But I took my box end wrenches and I put them here. And then some of the specialty wrenches. And then we've got the testers for vehicles to find out if you got the check engine light on. I put that up there. Got tester up there. You know, organized chaos. Where I have my punches over here now. We rearranged where these grinder is for the chainsaw over, so I'd have more room. We took this strip right here and we actually screwed it down so it's solid, so I could put my DeWalt battery charger right there. And then we don't have a lot of draws done yet. Oh, let me get you off here. But I can show you, like for this draw, we got all the specialty wrenches for ignition. We got the testers. I stuck my awls in there because I use those quite a bit. That's for a trailer harness. We took all the bits and stuff like that and put them into, we cut one of those trays down that I had in the bottom drawers and made it just for those. And then we put some air tools in here. I'm still rearranging yet. We took the other half and that's in here, and we got the DeWalt with the specialty bits that I bought with the Torx, and then all the attachments that are handy with this. We've still got some box end wrenches here because I have more than one of each, and I may just double them up over there. And of course I kept my Craftsman set of metric and SAE ratchets. Got to figure out what to do with these because these are all specialty wrenches. You know, these are brake line wrenches. You know, again, most of it has to do with ignition. This is, you know, the pipe bender, copper bender for working on brake lines, steel lines. You can bend them however you want. These have got sockets on them. And then we took this, and I may move this stuff to a thinner drawer because it doesn't need much space for height. And again, we cut one of these down to fit. So I'm still working on getting this drawer cleaned out. Still have all my 3/8 in here. Let me move that up here because I still need to find a home for that. But that's all my 3/8. And then my 1/2 inch, I'm going to start filling it in. I've got more tools up to the house I'm going to bring down to complete these sets. And these are all my torque bits. I don't know, from 1/4, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And then I've got some specialty deep wells in the 1/2 inch. Again, we're still working. These are my drill bits and stuff. This is my pliers and vice grip draw. And I'm going to move a lot of this stuff here. I'm going to move over here. And we're going to mark them with some, name them so that we know what it is by looking at it. You know, we know that's a torque wrench. We know that it's a tester. We know that are the specialty snap ring pliers. And then we have numerous kits, the small kits like this. But these snap ring pliers can go over here into that. Same thing with the soldering gun. Can be tucked over there. That one's only 3/8. My digital tester I can put up above. And then, like I say, this here is still my screwdrivers. My torque bits, metric and SAE. Now I've got some pliers, crescent wrench, and I stuck this over here because I didn't have room for it over there. This is still my 1/4 inch draw. This is my electrical where I can do the testing, and this is stripping and everything for wiring. And then I put all my hammers down there. Now the goal for me tomorrow is I want to get this all cleared off out here. I mean, this is a box of, 9mm for my pistol. I got my pistol harnesses, my favorite handy dandy hunting knife that I can't ever find when I want it. I gotta find a home for this girl. I mean, she's a monster. She's 24 inch. But gotta start somewhere, right? So this is gonna be part 1, and then part 2 will be whenever I get a chance to get back to it. Today was a slow day, so I took advantage of it. And hopefully I can get this stuff organized so that it looks like I'm a real mechanic. All right, guys. We'll catch you on the video next time.